Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Today's class is Statistics class. In my previous video, I have explained about measures of central tendency. In that, I have explained about arithmetic mean. Now I am going to explain about median. The definition of a median is the distribution which divides the distribution into two equal parts. Okay, here is the example: 12, 23, 32, 48, 55, 64. Here I have taken 6 observations. 6 means even number. Okay, first we need to arrange the data in either ascending order or descending order. Here I have already arranged the data in ascending order. Okay, 12, 23, 32, 48, 55, 64. For this mean is middle values plus divided by 2. 32 plus 48 divided by 2. Okay, 32 plus 48 divided by 2, which is equal to 80 divided by 2, which is equal to 40. So mean of the given values is 40. Okay, this is for even numbers. And now I am going to explain next example. Here I have taken 12, 55, 32, 48, 23. Here I have taken 5 observations. So n equal to 5. In this case n equal to 5. Okay. 5 is odd number. In this case n equal to 6. Here 6 observations I have taken. That's why n equal to 6. In this case I have taken 5 observations. So n equal to 5. For this we need to write the observations in either ascending order or descending order. Now I am going to write these numbers in ascending order. 12, after that 23, after that 32, after that 48, after that 55. Okay, the formula for finding the mean is n plus 1 by 2. Here n is 5. So 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. Okay, so third observation is our median. Here 5 observations: 12, 23, 32, 48, 55. So third observation is 32. 32 is our median. Okay, third observation means here 12 is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Third observation is equal to 32. Okay. Now I am going to explain about finding the mean in the case of discrete data. Discrete data means we will have observations and frequencies. For this we need to find the median. Okay, the formula for this to find the median is summation n divided by 2. Okay, summation, which is equal to summation f divided by 2. Frequencies divided by 2. Okay, so for this we need to find the cumulative frequencies. Here 5 is cumulative frequency. For first observation, 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. Okay, I will write this. 5 plus 9 is 14. Okay, now 14 plus 12 is 26. 26 plus 20 is 46. 46 plus 14 is 60. 60 plus 12 is 72. 72 plus 16 is 88. So here n is equal to, n is nothing but, here n is nothing but summation f, which is equal to 88. Okay. Now we need to find the n, summation f divided by 2. So 88 divided by 2 equal to 44. Okay. So we need to find the median class here. 44. We will check 44 is near to which number. We will check first. Here 26 is there, 46 is there. So 44 is near to this observation 46. So this is the median class. Okay. This is the median class and this is our median. This is the median class and this is our median. So median of this problem is, median of this discrete data is 4. Okay. So in this class I have explained about median of discrete data and median of individual data in the case of even, in the case of odd. In the case of even means we will write the observations in ascending order and then take the middle values and find the arithmetic mean for the middle values. We need to add both values and divide it by 2, which is equal to 40. So mean of this data is 40. And here I have taken odd observations. For odd observations, formula will be n plus 1 by 2. Here I have written all the data in ascending order. After that I have substituted the values here. N is 5. So 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. So third observation is 32. Median of this arithmetic median of these observations are 32. Here median is 40. For this discrete data, we need to find the median class first. For that we need to find the frequencies, and frequencies divided by 2, which is equal to 44. So we need to find the median class. This is the median class and the median of this data will be 4. Answer is 4. Median of this data is 4. Hope it's clear to you. In my next video I will explain median in the case of continuous series. Okay. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Thank you.